You got the sneezes? You sneezing? Are you sneezing in the tissue? You better turn this light on so we can see. And now you're going to throw it in the toilet? Okay. Good job. Do you have to sneeze again? Yeah, you're going to sneeze again? This is the cute part. If he'll do it again. Just one. Only get one. Uh-oh. Better go check. Okay, good job. Oh. That was a big one, huh? Oh. Come this way, Lily. You got to sneeze? Oh. Oh, Evelyn. Careful. Easy, yeah. You got a boo-boo. So happy. Oh. 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 Okay, Evelyn, why don't you get one too? Uh-oh. That might hurt. Are we good? We're good? Okay. You sneeze. A two. I gotta get one for Evelyn because she'll take the whole roll. Sneeze, Lily. A two. Here you go, Evelyn. There's one for you. Two. Oh. I heard a whoa. There we go. You sneezing?
Okay.
Oh, you're okay? A two. Evelyn, you fail. Where's it? Hey, no, you got this one right here. You have one already. It's a... You little fart. Just one. Evelyn, keep yours. Yours is still good. Come on. You guys. Oh, Willie. Yeah, now Willie's taking the whole roll. Okay. Tap. I'll get it for you. Don't you dare touch that camera. There you go. Oh no, that was a big one. Are you sneezing? A two. A two. Okay, sneeze. You're okay? Sneeze again. Pick it up. Oh. That's rough, huh? Can you sneeze, Evelyn? A two. No. You got two over there. Go get one. Yep. Go at two. No, he doesn't like that one. William, get over here. Are you sneezing it a little too much? There you go, buddy. There you go. No. Alright, well, pick them up then and go throw them in the garbage. No more sneezing. Okay, now come get this one. Achoo. Okay, come get this one. You don't have to... You're wasting water.
Why?
Yeah. Go pick up the other one. Now go throw it in the garbage this time. No, not your socks. Go throw it in the garbage. Garbage. No, garbage. No, garbage. Ah! He threw the car. Oh no, I gotta go fishing for cars. Okay, bye.